Clearly, Delhi BJP leaders feeling more confident after the party's victory in Maharashtra and Haryana. The BJP, meanwhile, also stormed to power in another Congress bastion yesterday, winning 47 of the 90 assembly seats in Haryana, reducing the Congress that had ruled the state for 10 years to just 15. This in spite of the fact that the BJP didn't have any big faces in the state.
A clear majority win for the Saffron Party in Haryana. The BJP, crossing the halfway mark in the 90-seat assembly, is set to form the government for the first time in 48 years.
लास्ट टाइम हरियाणा में गत चुनाव में 4 सीटें थी, उसकी जगह हम 48 सीटों पर जा रहे हैं। मैं मानता हूं कि इससे बड़ा विजय कोई हो नहीं सकता। और जो विरोधी हमारे कहते थे कुछ उपचुनावों को नतीजों को लेकर कि मोदी लहर समाप्त हो गई है, आज सिद्ध हो गया है कि मोदी लहर आज भी सुनामी की तरह सबको ध्वस्त करने में सक्षम है।
With the strong anti-incumbency against the Congress in the state, the BJP star campaigner, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, campaigning with the agenda of good governance and development, the BJP was successful in projecting itself as the best alternative in the Jat-dominated state. The Indian National Lok Dal too accepted it was the Modi wave in the state that worked wonders for the BJP.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का अंडरकरंट था। मोदी जी के नाम पर एक वेव थी जो कि खुलकर नहीं थी, जैसे लोकसभा चुनाव में थी वैसा नजर नहीं आ रहा था, खुलकर नहीं थी, तो उसको समझने में भी हम नाकामयाब रहे।
Despite the lack of a chief ministerial candidate and going alone in these polls, after a last-minute breakup with Kuldeep Bishnoi's Haryana Janhit Congress, the BJP has come a long way from winning just 4 seats in 2009.
I would like to congratulate the people of Haryana, would like to salute them that they have come out and voted for such a big change, a historic change. Haryana's politics is going to change forever.
But who will now take over the reins in the state? Amongst the probables are Captain Abhimanyu, who's a prominent Jat community face of the BJP in the state. 5-time MLA Anil Vij, who's considered close to the central leadership, is close behind. Sangh loyalist Manohar Lal Khattar and former state president Krishan Pal Gujar are also in the front-runners list.
नाम आने ना आने का विषय नहीं है, पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड जो तय करता है वही निश्चित होता है।
A clean and a thrilling win for the BJP in Haryana. Its grip over the nation only getting better. In this game of numbers, once again, Modi's magic surely seems to have done the trick for the Saffron Brigade. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.